Here we're foam rolling the Lattisimus Dorsi and the Teres Major and Minor muscle groups coming through the lateral shoulder, this posterior outside shoulder. All right, there's probably no way to actually separate those muscle groups, especially on a foam roller. So we're just going to kind of hit that entire area, and whatever feels a little restricted, we can spend some time working on that. Like our other foam rolling techniques, we're going to roll around until we find a tender spot. Once we find a tender spot, we're going to put some weight through it and sit on it. Once we got that weight through there, we're going to mobilize with a stretch, so pin and stretch. We're going to put some weight through that area that's tender, and then we're going to lengthen the arm and just kind of move back and forth through there. We're going to spend 30 seconds or so on each area, total of 2 minutes on that posterior lateral shoulder. We'll usually do the trick to create some range of motion changes for us that we can then utilize with our strength program moving forward. With this muscle group, the lat and the teres, it's a big thing. You know, the lat's a big muscle going all the way down the back, so don't be afraid to search up and down, as well as getting pretty tight to that shoulder girdle if we're trying to get into the teres major and minor. Minor coming off the very kind of bottom, major and minor coming off the very bottom of that shoulder blade angle coming across, so you can get, you know, pretty high up towards the armpit. You also may find that you need to either roll back a little bit or roll forward a little bit to catch some of those edges on either side. So don't be afraid to kind of hunt around by rotating your body to find some tenderness on either side there. But when you find a tender spot, work that area for about 30 seconds before moving on to the next, and we think you'll find good success with that. We can follow this then with either the lat door hang, the door frame stretch we really like. The lat slider drill, the body saw slider drill is another one that's kind of nice to follow this with to kind of create length and strength in hopefully that new range of motion that you've picked up with your rolling. All right, any questions, make sure you let us know, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.